In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your emails with Monday.com. This process will help you streamline your work and enhance your productivity by bringing all your communications into one place. So, let's get started. First up, you'll want to open your Monday.com account and make sure you're in your CRM workspace. This workspace keeps all your customer relationship management tools in one handy location, providing you with easy access to the tools you need for this integration. Once you're in your workspace, locate the CRM settings. You'll find these settings at the top right corner of your page. Clicking on CRM settings will give you various options and settings to manage your workspace efficiently. This is where you'll begin the integration process. Next, look for the Add Account option. It's usually displayed prominently, making it easy to find. Clicking this will allow you to start the process of linking your email accounts with Monday.com. Now, it's time to choose the email account you'd like to integrate. You'll be presented with a list of available accounts. Select the email account that you want to connect. This selection will prompt Monday.com to initiate the authorization process, establishing a secure connection with your chosen email provider. After selecting your desired email account, you'll see a Connect button. Clicking this Connect button is critical as it facilitates the linking process between your email and Monday.com. Once clicked, you'll be a step closer to achieving seamless integration. Moving forward, you may be asked once more to choose the email account you wish to connect. This double check ensures that you're connecting the right account, maintaining security, and minimizing human error during setup. Finally, you'll come across a button labeled Continue. Click this button to allow Monday.com to access your Google account or whichever email service you're using. By doing this, you are authorizing the service to pull in your emails and integrate them within the platform. Rest assured, this process is secure and follows all necessary protocols to protect your data. Once you click Continue, your email account will be successfully integrated with Monday.com. And that's it. You have now linked your email to your Monday.com account. By doing so, you've effectively centralized your communication tools, allowing you to manage emails and tasks all in one place. This integration not only saves you time, but also helps streamline your workflow by keeping all pertinent information in an easily accessible, organized manner. I hope this guide was helpful for you. Whether you're new to Monday.com or looking to expand your use of the platform, integrating your emails is a great step towards maximizing your productivity. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.